Hello everyone and welcome you all to another chapter of Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. So now we are on our chapter number 14 and here I will be showing you guys a project on how to slow down and speed up your footage in Premiere Pro. Like if you want to slow-mo any part or speed up any part of the video, how you guys can basically do that. Okay? So maybe in movies or in many videos, you guys see that there is a slow motion video. I'll be showing you how you can create those and add your all this effects and transitions and all of this adding a B-roll footage. Okay, so I'll be telling you guys in detail as well what a B-roll footage is and how you can adjust those into a video. I'll also show you guys how you can upload and audio into your video. So I'll be showing you guys here in this particular project. So let's not waste time and let's get started with this chapter. So now, as you can see, I am here already on a new project. Okay, so here you can see I do have my panel ready to work. So first up, what I'll do is I'll create a new sequence. Okay, I'll click on Control N, and here you can see I do have this sequence, and I will name this particular sequence as speeding up, speeding up, and slowing down. So I will save this name. I'll check the settings. Okay, everything is fine. 25 frames per second. Pixels, audio samples. Yes, this one is fine. And I will click on OK. So once I've clicked on this one, here you guys can see on my panel here, you guys can see I do have a sequence. And now this is the time to import our videos and also our audio. Okay, so go to downloads and from here I will select all this for videos and I will open this. Okay, so here you guys can see I do have my videos and I will again actually import one of the audio from here. Okay, so maybe I'll come here and I will open this. Okay, so this one, and I'll open this one, and here you can see I do have my audio as well. So first thing first, okay, what I'm going to do is I will be selecting this audio and I will be dropping this one somewhere here. Okay, so I do have this audio here and now I will be adding video to it as well. Okay, so here I do have four videos. So maybe I'll add this one. Yes, this one I'll add here. I have added this one here and I'll come and add this as well. Okay, so here you guys can see which video I'm choosing. So maybe I'll bring this here and again I will come here and bring this here as well. Or let me just delete this for a second. And now let me just zoom in to my timeline. Okay, I don't want all this audio here. So with this razor tool, I will put up a cut here. And also at the beginning, I will put a cut with my selection tool. Select this and also this one. I'll delete first and come to this one again and delete this as well. Okay, so I do have this and with my playhead I'll try to zoom in this little bit. Okay, so here this is the original video which you guys can see. Okay, so basically what I want is from here. Now I don't want this total part here. Okay, like this total part I don't want. In that case, what I'm going to do is I'll delete this. I will come here and once I double click somewhere here, okay, suppose I will double click this one. So here you guys can see I do have this video. So what I can do is I will just decrease the timing from here, okay, or here. And here you guys can see two options, mark in, mark out. And this one is go to in and go to out. And this is step forward. So I will come here. Okay, I will play this. Okay, so I will mark in and I will come here and I will mark this out. Okay, so from here I will just here and I will mark this out here. Okay, so I do have this particular frame here. So now what I can do is I can actually drag this much video here on my panel. Okay, so I will drag only this video here. Okay, so let's see. So only this part I do have here in my frame. Okay, so maybe I'll go till here again. And what I can do is I will select this video and I will delete this. Okay, so as you can see, I have quite zoomed in. Now I will select this, drag this video again. Let's see how this is right now. So this is the same video again, what I have shown you, but I want the full frame, not only this particular frame. But the frame size is also quite not matching the frame size which I have here. Okay, so in that case, I will just select that particular part just to show you guys how you guys can access this one as well. Okay, so here I will just click on this. Maybe I will increase this one and this one as well. Okay, so from here I will increase this. Okay, so maybe I'll play this one and in and out here. Okay, so I will select this particular frame, drag this video over here, select this, delete this one, and put this one somewhere here. So I will put this one first, and here you guys can see, okay, this is the video which I have. Okay, right now I want different video, so I'll come here again. Okay, now what I'll do is again I'll just mark in and mark out. So this part I'll mark in and I'll come till here and I'll mark out. So now this video I can basically drag from here and basically I can put this one here. Okay, so I will move this one on top. So I do have this and I'll also join this both. Okay, so I do have two videos here. And now let's see the other videos. This one also I will just play this one and I will come and close this one here. Okay, so I do have this video and I will play on here as well. Okay, so you guys can see I do have these four videos which I have just selected and dropped down here. Okay, so this is basically the thing here and come somewhere here and I will delete till this much. Okay, so come with the eraser tool, give a cut here, take the selection tool again and select this part and delete this part. Okay, so now I do have three selected parts and I also have added audio here. Okay, or the background music where you call it. So in that case, what I basically want is now, as you can see, this video it have a particular pace. So what I can do is I will just slow this down. So in that case, what I will do is I'll come here and I will select this one from here. Okay. So once I have selected this particular video, suppose I will come here or here. Okay, so maybe I'll just zoom this out. I'll come here, zoom this out, and I'll just zoom this in again. Okay, so I want to see the whole preview here in my panel. Okay, so I have this video here. Okay, so this is the first one. So click on this one. Okay, or click on this. And from here, what I can do is I will come to the speed and duration option. So here, if I want to slow this down, I can just slow this one down. As you can see, the speed is 100%. So here I will select 40 and I will click on OK. And before that, you guys can see frame blending, optical flow. I'll just do this one and I'll click on OK. So here you can see now. Okay, so here you can see my video is kind of in slow-mo. So now if I want to make this one faster, so I will come here again, go to the speed and duration option. In this one, what I'll do is I will do 150. Okay, and free sampling, I'll click on OK. And here you can see the size also have decreased here. So I will bring this one here. And now I do have this. Okay, so now let's play this one and let's see. Okay, so after this, here you can see now it have
Artlist.io.
faster. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys have understood till this much. Here you are not able to see because this one is a horizontal picture, but you guys can basically work with this as well. If you come here to the effect control and if you want to scale this one down, okay? So basically, if you want to scale this one down, you guys can see this one as well, okay? And you guys can also position it from here. Okay, if you want to position it in one corner, you guys can position it in one corner as well. Okay, so yeah, I do have this part as well. Okay, so at the same time, I'll be telling you guys what a B-roll footage basically is. Okay, so here I can put two footage at the same time. So here as I do have this one. Okay, so here I can have this one as my B-roll footage. Okay, so for that, what I can do is I will bring this or I will just try to play this and in point, and this is going to be my out point. Okay, so I do have this one. Take this and bring it somewhere here. Okay, so I do have this one as well. So let's see how it basically looks. And now I will come here, again go to the effect control, and I will just scale this one. Take this one and I will scale this one down. So I will just scale this one down from here and maybe I will select this particular frame and put it in one side. Okay, so maybe I will put this one here on the right hand side. Okay, I will put here this one and I will come here. I will scale this one up as well. Okay, so here I do have two footage at the same time inside the same video. So both of this footage will be played simultaneously. Okay, so you guys can position that one. Suppose if I want this frame to come here from this side, okay, I can do that as well. And again, for that, I need to add keyframes. So first I will select this frame. Okay, suppose I have this frame selected. Oh, so this one, okay, I have scaled this one down and now I will add a bookmark here or the positioning here. Okay, and now I will come here and I will just move this to the other side. Okay, so maybe from here, I will move this one on the right hand side. Okay, so let me just move this one. And here you can see it will kind of look like this. Okay, so now let's maybe compare how it basically looks. Okay, so let's play.
Artlist.io.
So this is how a B-roll footage basically works. And I hope you guys have understood this particular class on how to use a B-roll footage. Okay, but this one is not done yet because I didn't put any kind of video transition or any kind of text. So if in the same frame, if I want to put any kind of graphic motion, I can put that as well. Okay, so from here, if I come, okay, I will go to the essential graphics option And from Essential Graphics, here I will just increase the size. And from here, I can choose different caption. Okay, so if I come here and I will put this graphic somewhere here, it will take some time. Okay, so maybe I will decrease the size of this one. Okay, and I will come here, and from here basically I can actually work around with this caption. Okay, suppose if I want to change the caption from here, I can change the caption. So maybe I'll write the good old days. So I have written this one here, and now basically I can position this one as well. Or with my selection tool, if I want to position it here somewhere in top, I can do that as well. Okay, so here if I come back and let's try to see, okay, how it actually looks.
Artlist.io.
So here this is the graphics which I have, and I'll also put some video transitions here. And like this, here I have speeden up one and I have slowed down one. But here I can actually put this one. Suppose I will just speed this one up. Okay. So in the same frame, I will speed this one up to 150 and I'll click on enter. And this same one, what I'll do is I will speed up a little bit. So I'll just speed up it to 125. Okay. So it's 125 from here and I'll click on OK. So here you guys can see, or I'll just decrease. Sorry, I have to decrease this one. I will give it 75 and I'll click on OK. So here you guys can see the duration is quite the same. So for that, I will come here again and I will see how it is being played. So here I will play.
Artlist.io.
So here you guys can see both of these images, and those are quite different. Okay, so once I'm here, you guys will be able to see that one of the image is quite speeded up and one is slowed down. Okay,
Artlist.io.
so this one is slowed down and this one is faster down. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood this thing as well. What is the use of a B-roll footage, how you can insert, and inside one sequence or inside one frame, we can actually do a lot of these works. Okay, so here each one is a sequence, and now if you want to cut down the video from here, you have to just cut down video somewhere from here. So in that case, I can do that. I will bring my razor tool and here you can see. So from here, basically I'll give a cut. Again, come to the selection tool, select this one and delete this one. So now my video is quite ready, and I'll also add some of the video effects. So I'll come here and these are the video transitions. Come to dissolve and I will just add deep to black here. Okay, and I will add this cross dissolve here in between. Okay, and this one I will come additive dissolve here. Okay, so I will put here in between. And now if I select this one, you guys will be actually able to edit all this as well. Okay, suppose if I will select only this. Okay, so this one I will be able to actually edit only the video transition part. So here I do have the dissolve option, and if I go to the essential graphics and if I go to this browse options, here it will show me different type of options what I want to do with this one. Okay, like do I want to basically put this in one side or put this in the other or in the center. I'll do have all these options as well. Okay, so here as you can see my this video is quite ready. So let's see the preview. So this is how it actually starts, and here this is the cross dissolve, and here you guys can
Artlist.io.
Okay. So yeah, my video is done here, and now the part is I need to import this one. So I'll come to the import option or export option. Okay. So once I am here on my export option, I need to check everything is checked out or not. And from here, basically, you can upload it in your social media as well. And from here, you guys can see the preview as well from here. Okay. So after seeing that one, you guys can click on export and it will start rendering your particular file. Okay. So here actually you can see that it is encoding the speeding up and slowing down project. So I hope you guys have understood how you can actually slow down your video or just speed up. Okay. So this is how you guys can actually do. And I have showed you guys the whole project. Here you can see my video was exported successfully. Okay. So from here now we'll be looking at the video which I have created, which is being saved in my system. For that, I'll come here, and here you guys can see this is the video which I have just created right now. So here you guys can see this is basically the video. Okay,
Artlist.io.
and this is how it actually looks. And this is the end of the video. So I hope you guys have understood, and now you guys can actually start making your own video and follow this project if you guys do have any kind of doubt. I have tried to explain you everything about uh, this one, okay, how you can basically cut one part down from a video and export that in your timeline, and also how to slow down or speed up your video, and what is the use of a b-roll footage, how you can add text on top of that one. Okay, we can stack up many frames into a single sequence. So hope you guys have understood everything and hope to see you all in any other tutorial, as this was the last tutorial on our Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so take care and keep on practicing, guys. Hope you guys can master your video editing to another level, and I hope this particular tutorial was quite helpful for you all.